Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. We discuss random point with layer bound and random point to whole area. If you want to create a particular selected area random point and whole area to random point number of quantity, so it is very important. So please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is our QGIS and we already open a layer. So we create a selected layer point. So we select it, we go to selection tool and select one polygon. After selection we go to vector and we go to research tool and we select here random point in layer bound. We click here and here is our input file and we tick selected feature only. We generate point only selected field and we give a number of point. We give here 20 number of point. After it we run it and close it. You see here random point generated and we count it. For count we click here and go to open attribute table and you see here random point 20 random point generated. And if you want to change symbology, you right click, go to property and you select here point and color as per your choice and apply and OK. Your point is generated. If you want to generate point on whole area, so you unselect it. After unselect layer you go to vector layer and go to research tool and select here random point in layer bound and we select here all layer. Here is our layer and we give a number, we give 50. After 50 we run it and close it. You see here point is generated in whole area. If you want to change symbology, you right click, go to property and select here symbol and color as per your choice, apply and OK. You see here your point is generated. If you want to see how many point is generated, you select it and go to table and you see here number of point 50 is generated. Here is 50 point in whole area. So our random point with layer bound and whole area is completed successfully. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Thank you for watching video.